Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Agricultural Patterns in India. First question: when was micro irrigation launched? Option A July 2000, Option B March 2002, Option C January 2006, Option D March 2004. Answer: Option A July 2000. Second question: which among the following does not belong to welfare schemes for the farmers? Option A Kisan Credit Scheme, Option B SHG Bank Linkage Program, Option C Employee Referral Scheme, Option D none of these above. Answer: Option C Employee Referral Scheme. Third question: India's main rival in tea export is Option A Japan, Option B Sri Lanka, Option C China, Option D Germany. Answer: Option B Sri Lanka. Fourth question: when was the new agricultural policy established? Option A July 2000, Option B March 2002, Option C January 2004, Option D March 2004. Answer: Option A July 2000. Fifth question: fruits which develop only from ovary after fertilization are called Option A apomictic fruits, Option B true fruits, Option C parthenocarpic fruits, Option D false fruits. Answer: Option B true fruits. Sixth question: the chili variety Pusa sadabar is resistant to which of the following disease? Option A leaf curl only, Option B chili mosaic virus only, Option C tobacco mosaic virus only, Option D all the above. Answer: Option D all of the above. Seventh question: which variety of rapeseed is developed for resistance to insect pests? Option A Pusa savant, Option B Pusa sem, Option C Pusa gaurav, Option D all of the above. Answer: Option C Pusa gaurav. Eighth question: which one of the following plant cells does not have Kranz anatomy? Option A maize, Option B amaranth, Option C pearl millet, Option D wheat. Answer: Option D wheat. Ninth question: which is the best method to prevent soil erosion? Option A deforestation, Option B afforestation, Option C heavy rainfall, Option D waterlogging. Answer: Option B afforestation. 10th question: name the varieties of rice of Philippines and Taiwan from which the semi-dwarf varieties were hybridized in India. Option A Sonalika and Kalyan Sona, Option B Jaya and Ratna, Option C IR8 and Taichung Native 1, Option D all of the above. Answer. Option C. Ayya and Taichung native. 11th question. Allowing the field to remain vacant for one full season is called. Option A. Crop rotation. Option B. Multiple cropping. Option C. Field fallow. Option D. Monoculture. Answer. Option C. Field fallow. 12th question. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a. Option A. Cell membrane. Option B. Endoplasmic reticulum. Option C. Nuclear membrane. Option D. Cell wall. Answer. Option C. Nuclear membrane. 13th question. The finest Indian teak is found in the forests of. Option A. Satpura National Park. Option B. Pachmarhi Sanctuary. Option C. Bori Sanctuary. Option D. Bandipur National Park. Answer. Option A. Satpura National Park. 14th question. The type of soil best suited for making pots, toys and statues is. Option A. Sandy soil. Option B. Loamy soil. Option C. Clayey soil. Option D. Topsoil. Answer. Option A. Option C. Clayey soil. 15th question. The branchy part of the tree seen above the stem is called. Option A. Canopy. Option B. Cover. Option C. Crown. Option D. Trunk. Answer. Option C. Crown. 16th question. Stomata present on the leaves are surrounded by. Option A. Chlorophyll. Option B. God cells. Option C. Pores. Option D. Tubes. Answer. Option B. God cells. 17th question. The practice of growing two or more different types of crops in the same field at the same time is called. Option A. Crop rotation. Option B. Monoculture. Option C. Mixed cropping. Option D. Field fallow. Answer. Option C. Mixed cropping. 18th question. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called. Option A. Barometer. Option B. Anemometer. Option C. Seismograph. Option D. Rain gauge. Answer. Option D. Rain gauge. 19th question. The wool from sheep is used to make cloths. Wool is removed from sheep by a process called. Option A. Scouring. Option B. Shearing. Option C. Carding. Option D. Sorting. Answer. Option B. Shearing. 20th question. Cultivation of legumes and grasses are examples of. Option A. Green manure. Option B. Crop rotation. Option C. Multiple cropping. Option D. Transplantation. Answer. Option A. Green manure. If you like our videos, please press the like icon share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.